This is Inchara from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering under the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Cyber Security. Today, I am here to give a brief information about lipids. Let us know the definition of lipids. Lipids are organic compounds that contain hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon atoms which form the framework for the structure and function of living cells. What are lipids? These organic compounds are nonpolar molecules which are soluble only in nonpolar solvents and insoluble in water because water is a polar molecule. In the human body, these molecules can be synthesized in the liver and are found in oil, butter, whole milk, cheese, fried foods, and also in some red meats. Let us have a detailed look at the lipid structure, properties, types, and classification of lipids. Properties of lipids. Lipids are oily or greasy, nonpolar molecules stored in the adipose tissue of the body. Lipids are a heterogeneous compound mainly composed of hydrocarbon chains. Lipids are energy-rich organic molecules which provide energy for different life processes. Lipids are a class of compounds characterized by their solubility in nonpolar solvents and insolubility in water. Lipids are significant in biological systems as they form a mechanical barrier dividing a cell from the external environment known as the cell membrane. Lipid structure. Lipids are the polymers of fatty acids that contain a long nonpolar hydrocarbon chain with a small polar region containing oxygen. The structure of the lipid is as shown beside. Classification of lipids. Lipids can be classified into two main classes: non-saponifiable lipids and saponifiable lipids. A non-saponifiable lipid cannot be disintegrated into smaller molecules through hydrolysis. Non-saponifiable lipids include cholesterol, prostaglandins, and etc. Saponifiable lipid comprises one or more ester groups, enabling it to undergo hydrolysis in the presence of a base, acid, or enzyme including waxes, triglycerides, sphingolipids, and phospholipids. Further, these categories can be divided into nonpolar and polar lipids. Nonpolar lipids, namely triglycerides, are utilized as fuel and to store energy. Polar lipids that could form a barrier with an external water environment are utilized in membranes. Polar lipids comprises sphingolipids and glycerophospholipids. Fatty acids are pivotal components of all these lipids. Types of lipids. Within these two major classes of lipids, there are numerous specific types of lipids which are important to life, including fatty acids, triglycerides, glycerophospholipids, sphingolipids, and steroids. These are broadly classified as simple lipids and complex lipids. Simple lipids. Esters of fatty acids with various alcohols. Fats. Esters of fatty acids with glycerol. Oils are fats in the liquid state. Waxes. Esters of fatty acids with higher molecular weight monohydric alcohols. Complex lipids. Esters of fatty acids containing groups in addition to alcohol and fatty acid. Phospholipids. These are lipids containing in addition to fatty acids and alcohol phosphate group. They frequently have nitrogen containing bases and other substitutes. Example, in glycerophospholipids, the alcohol is glycerol, and in sphingospholipids, the alcohol is sphingosine. Glycolipids, lipids containing a fatty acid, sphingosine, and carbohydrate. Other complex lipids. Lipids such as sulfolipids and aminolipids, lipoproteins may also be placed in the category. Examples of lipids. There are different types of lipids. Some examples of lipids include butter, ghee, vegetable oil, cheese, cholesterol, and other steroids, waxes, phospholipids, and fatty soluble vitamins. All these compounds have similar features, that is, insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. Thank you.